Hi everyone, welcome to Beauty First and 10. If you're new here, hi, my name is Debbie, and today we're going to be unboxing my White House Black Market haul. I got some stuff in store, I got stuff sent to me. I am so excited. Fall is my favorite season, and all of these items are going to be great going into the fall season. And I will have all of these items linked in the description box down below and also in the pinned comment. So let's get started. So we'll start off with the top I'm wearing today. So this is a crosshatch long line vest top, and it's kind of like a bustier, but denim on denim is a huge trend for fall, and this really is an easy way to accomplish it. You can wear this with black jeans, you can go kind of off and go a little on the light jeans, or you can try to match it exactly and do straight on. I also think this might be great with a skirt and some boots, so we'll kind of play around with this, but this fits perfect. I would just order your normal size, and it does have kind of like fun pockets. This is a really great product and really great quality. And I'm very excited for this next item. So this package here I got, and I have been dying to open it. This should be this suede dress that I bought. So they have this at White House Black Market, and they have a ton of sales. So if you haven't checked them out recently, definitely do it. They've got a sale almost every day. 30% off pants, 20% off dresses. There's something all the time. And if you're a member, then you get even more off. So, oh my gosh, this color, I love this kind of like camel color is just perfect for fall. And suede is really huge. I'll throw a picture up here of a suede dress I have in kind of that dark chocolate brown. And I found a similar one at Target, and I will also link that down below. So I got mine at J. Crew, but this Target one is dead on, and it's only $35. So I'll list that as well. But let's take a look at this one here. Oh my goodness, so pretty. And I'm kind of picturing this with some black heels. I think it is a longer dress, so I'll kind of show you here. It does go down that far, and it's got these buttons. So, oh my goodness, so pretty. And these pockets are functional pockets up top and down below. So you do actually get some pockets, which I don't know. I always want dresses with pockets, but then I'm like, do I use them? I mean, sometimes I do, but most of the time I just think they look really nice for decoration. They did say online to go ahead and size up on this. So I actually went probably 2 sizes up because they said it was really restrictive, and that was kind of the estimate. So I will write below any comments I have about any of these products once I try them on and give you an idea of like what size you should get and how you should wear this. But yeah, I mean, I think even though it's long, you could probably wear some dark colored boots with this, and I think that'd be really cool. But I'm picturing now, while it's warmer, having some black heels on. Okay, so the next items I got were sent to me, and then the package was damaged, so I opened them up. Everything looked fine, but like it was a little torn at the side. So we'll open this one first. So excited about this. So this is a plaid bustier with some really pretty beading. This looked great online, and I'm picturing this with some black jeans. I think that'd be really cool. Okay, so plaid and beading. I mean, what more could a girl want? I just think this is so great. So I'll bring this in close so you can kind of see the plaid coloration there, and then the beading. So the beading is done really well. White House Black Market does have kind of better quality, and I do appreciate that. I have a lot of items that I bought from them a long time ago that I still use and still wear, but plaid is always going to be in. Yeah, I just really think like a nice pair of black pants. I think you could also wear this with blue jeans. I think that'd be fine. I think you could wear it with some boots, or pair this with, kind of a single colored skirt and then have some boots on. And I think this will transition nicely. A black jacket over top of it. I think there's a lot of options. So I'll throw some of the looks up there so you can kind of take a look. And then the other item I got is this, again, very kind of chewed and it's kind of went through the ringer before it arrived to me. Okay, this one, and I love the color of this one. So they call this one hot chocolate, which I think is a great name for anything. But it's kind of like a rust orange. I'll bring that in so you can kind of see. It's definitely got brown tones, but a little more on the rust side. But hot chocolate, what a great name. And this is a long line vest. So again, you're gonna kind of go down, similar to the crosshatch one that I have on right now. But I think this will look great with both black pants, but I also think this will look really good with light jeans and some heels. So that's kind of how I'm envisioning styling this. This is probably, even though it is kind of a heavier material, this is probably going to be more of a early fall item. You know, if you live somewhere up north and you need sleeves, then this might have to get paired with a jacket sooner rather than later. Okay, two more items, and I got these in store. Let's take a look. And this top, this kind of like mocha brown asymmetric rib top, I just think this is so interesting. If I can figure out how it goes. There we go. Okay, so I'll bring this in so you can kind of see. It's got great texture, but it also is, you know, just got something kind of visually interesting. I still think this is a great fall color, and I'm picturing wearing this, you know, kind of really casually with some jeans. Now, they did mention that this one side goes out much further than the other side, so I'm envisioning having to wear some really like high-rise jeans to really kind of make this work, because I don't like to have flesh hanging out, and so flesh hanging out is just going to be a no-no for me. But if I wear a high-rise jeans, then this should cover it. But yeah, I also think this would easily pair with, you know, a print skirt that you might have for fall and some boots. I think there's a lot of different options you can do with this. And then the last item we have, and I have been obsessed with this. I keep looking at it online. It was really expensive. Then it dropped and it went to sale. And I was like, okay, let's do it. Now, I think my number one problem I'm going to have with this is how to actually wear it. It's got a lot of pieces. So it is a plaid wrap, but then it's got like this other piece here that's kind of like almost a scarf. The model was wearing it, and I'm gonna try to wear it like she did. It looks super cute on her. This is one size fits all, but I just, look at this print. It's just like the perfect print for fall. The brown tones with a little bit of orange. I am super excited about this. So like I said, I will have all these items linked in the description box down below, so you can check them out. White House Black Market, keep checking back. They have a ton of sales. I hope everyone has a great day and happy shopping.